you're looking at, we're in the behind the third row on a Honda Odyssey, and we're looking at the doors to the Honda Vac. At the top you have your hose plus your attachments, and the hose will reach all the way to the front row. Underneath here, and this is where there's a question often arises, how do I change my filter and my bag? Okay, your actual canister that contains your filter and your bag is right in this unit here. By pushing this button, the whole assembly is released, so you can just slide it out. There are 3 buttons here, or actually 3 latches. Just flip the top one, the bottom 2, and pull this out. There's your filter and there's your bag. The bag can be released by pushing a little bit forward here, because there's a little big piece of cardboard that's cut under the lip, and it comes right off this connection here. All right, to replace it, put your new bag on, press down on the cardboard. To release the filter, just turn this top portion that screws off. Filter comes straight up and down, just like that. Get yourself a new filter periodically, put it on like that, screw this on to tighten it. You get the 2 latches on here toward the handle release there, drop it into place, snap the 3 releases into place. It'll only click when it's on right, so you can't mess that up. Then just slide it back in here, make sure this part of the release is over the top. See that? Now you get full suction when you start it up. Close it up, push the start button. You see a good suction there. Let me show you the full length of this hose. Going away. Hold it in there. This attachment for narrow places, just for other wide areas. Here you can see the hose running from the back of the third row all the way up to the front. And as you can see, I've extended all the way up to the dash of this Odyssey.